packaged. As you can see, nicely packaged. Covering on it. And the instructions. And you flip the box over. And here are the legs for it with the wheels. And this is the unboxed top piece light magnifier. This is the complete unboxed rolling magnifier lamp. You see the leg pieces that crisscross the extension and the main spring-loaded unit. This is it. I'm going to now put it together. This is the assembled magnifier light. Put a light bulb in it. Got the big magnifier. Got the nice stand. Very heavy stand, by the way. Spring-loaded. It's a spring-loaded, floor-rolling magnifier lamp.